Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this minimal makeup look using only Wet n Wild products. And they have some new jams that I really like, and these are multi-purpose products. We're going to be using only 6 products in today's video to create this look. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, let's start with the base. We have 2 products. One is a skin tint. This is the Tinted Hydrator. This is a great product, but the shade is a little bit too dark for me. And this foundation, I love it. It is the Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. And I think I'm going to use this today. This should be good enough. So I would love to hear from the comments what you guys do for work. If you guys saw my video called Work and Life Balance, please watch it and comment and let me know if you like that kind of content. I would love to hear from you what you do for a living and how do you spend your free time, and like what kind of products, makeup products do you use to get ready like really quickly, and what are your favorite products to use for a minimal makeup. I'm not going to use a concealer. I'm just going to use this a little bit all over the face. Remember, this is a minimal makeup tutorial, so I'm not going to be using a lot of different products. Now let's use bronzer, and then we're going to use these new products, the highlighter and the cream blush that they came out with. I love these. I've tried them the other day and I absolutely love them. They don't move your foundation or anything like that, and they're really quite long lasting. Like they don't disappear right away. So, but before that, let's do bronzer. I'm going to use my Color Icon bronzer. This is in the shade Sunset Striptease. And for that, I'm going to use my beloved Bobbi Brown bronzer brush. I love the color of this bronzer. It's a very neutral tone. It's not too orange or it's not too cool toned. And this should be enough. Now let's use a little bit of highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Vitamin E Makeup Stick Highlight. And this is in the shade Moonlight. I'm going to apply it directly onto my cheek because I know it doesn't move my foundation. See, it gives a very nice glow and it doesn't have any glitter in it. So that's what I love about it. And I'm going to apply this on my lid as well, and then blend it out with a crease brush. This is from Zoeva 134. It just gave a nice little shine onto my lid. Now let's use the other stick. Let's use the blush. This is the Mega Glow Vitamin E blush. This is in the shade Current Jam. And again, I'm going to apply it directly onto my cheek and just blend it out with my hand. A little bit more. See, it doesn't move my foundation or anything like that. That's what I love about it. And the color is sweet. And they have more shades as well. A little bit on the nose. I'm not a big fan of Wet n Wild's mascaras, so I don't have one. So I'm going to use my Beaueless Fake It mascara. This is my favorite drugstore mascara. If you haven't seen my full face of Beaueless, I will link it in the description box. Please watch it because they have some good jams. Like they have really good products. So I'm just going to apply. By the way, I opted for a brown mascara. See, like one coat of this. Oof. Now let's apply this lip stain. This is the Wet n Wild Lip Liner Stain Crayon. I don't know the shade of the, oh, it's Spilled Wine. Now, lastly, I think I want to add a lip gloss. This is the Mega Slick Lip Gloss. It's in the shade Love Language. It's a really nice peachy tone. And this is it, you guys. This is a pretty much 5-minute makeup. I literally used just 6 products to do this look. If you like this kind of content, please leave a comment and let me know what are your #1 must-have products for a minimal makeup like this, like a multi-purpose product that you love, like this highlighter stick that I used for my cheeks and my lid. And if you like this kind of content, like one brand tutorials or like this minimal makeup, quick makeup tutorials, please leave a comment and like this video. And if you want to support my channel, subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!